Hate him or love him, but this guy comes off brutally honest. Some people admire him while others dislike him for his very trait. Ranveer recently confessed of having affairs with many women in his life and experiencing a lot of one-night stands. Although it is unclear from the source exactly what he was answering when he revealed these personal details, but he absolutely believes in marriage. He feels that it is important for a child to have both mother and father to have a sense of fulfillment in his or her life. That is one bold personal revelation for an industry like Bollywood where people are ready to judge you any second. Right from her first film Ajnabi, Bipasha Basu has been known for her sex appeal. Bipasha has had no qualms in doing hot and steamy scenes with her co-stars. She had upped the quotient in Jism opposite then-boyfriend John Abraham. Several other films down the years have exploited Bipasha's bombshell image time and again. In Bipasha's last film Creature, her fans hardly got to see the steamy avatar of Bipasha, which many consider her USP. All that is going to change in her next film Alone, where she stars opposite TV star Karan Singh Grover. She says she has several hot and intimate scenes with the TV hottie. Bipasha makes light of it. It is though that I am some food commodity. I don't know why whenever I see that word hot, I feel like I'm some food. But yes, I'm doing a film called Alone, which is quite intensely passionate after a long time. Alone is a supernatural horror film with a love story weaved into it. It is expected to have love-making scenes and kissing. Get set ready for a steamy Bipasha again. In fact, the actress has already wrapped up the first schedule of the film, which is directed by Bhushan Patel, who had directed Ragini MMS2 earlier this year. Bollywood has hedged around the subject of sex for a long time, but with the coming of new age movies, the mercury is on the rise. We decided to bear the heat and bring you a list of the top 5 sexy movies of Bollywood that is high on the sex quotient. Sahib Bibi or Gangster saw Mahi Gill's character obsessed with sex. The movie changed the laws of courtship. Her kinky love-making scene with Randeep Hooda with record it on a cell phone is worth mentioning. Love, sex or dhoka? The name says it all. The movie was based on sex scandals, MMS and reality. LSD had 3 subplots: MMS, honor killings and sting operation. Its boldness shocked many. Ragini MMS. Ragini MMS had everybody talking. The movie took the meaning of voyeurism to a completely new level and had all the visual offing you could think of. Jism. Jism grabbed everybody's attention. The whole nation was left talking about it. Considered as a classic among the boldest movies of Bollywood, Jism saw a lot of hot lovemaking and sparks flying between Bipasha and John Abraham. Jism 2. Just like its prequel, Jism 2 had everybody interested. One of the main reasons being Sunny Leone as the leading lady. People waited with bated breath for her to appear on the big screen. The movie fulfilled their expectations. Bollywood has hedged around the subject of sex for a long time, but with the coming of new age movies, the mercury is on the rise. We decided to bear the heat and bring you a list of the top 5 sexy movies of Bollywood that is high on the sex quotient. The Girl in Yellow Boots. That Girl in Yellow Boots explored strong sexual themes. The film was an unnerving story of pain. Kalki Kettling and Prashant Prakash sizzled on screen. Khwahish. Khwahish was controversy queen Mallika Sherawat's debut movie based on an extramarital affair that goes bad. Mallika Sherawat and Himanshu Malik shared 17 kisses in the film. Girlfriend. Girlfriend was a film that highlighted lesbian love. However, it did not tackle the subject well and turned out to be a tasteless movie full of explicit scenes between Isha Kopikar and Amrita Rao. Aitraz. Aitraz had Priyanka playing the role of a powerful boss, seducing her junior, with whom she has a scandalous history. She played the role of a scheming woman to perfection. Delhi Belly. Delhi Belly had a free flow of obscene dialogue and objectionable lyrics, but that wasn't all. We saw Imran Khan going down on Shehnaz Kejriwala in the movie. Not to forget the scene where Poorna Jagannath and Imran faked sex in a hotel room. Bollywood has hedged around the subject of sex for a long time, but with the coming of new age movies, the mercury is on the rise. We decided to bear the heat and bring you a list of the top 5 sexy movies of Bollywood that is high on the sex quotient. Murder. With Imran Hashmi in the frame, you cannot expect a clean movie. Murder saw Mallika Sherawat and Imran Hashmi engage in bold and intimate scenes. Murder 2. Jacqueline Fernandez was quite an eye candy in Murder 2. Her bear-it-all acts in the film had the temperatures rising. We had Imran Hashmi to give her company. Julie. Julie had Neha Dhupia in a bold avatar. She created ripples when she went topless for the posters of the film. The movie was about a small town girl who turned into a high society prostitute. Sat Khoon Maaf. Priyanka Chopra dropped her clothes at the drop of a hat in Sat Khoon Maaf. The movie had bold scenes of Priyanka with Vivan Shah, Anu Kapoor, Irfan Khan, Nasiruddin Shah and Neelata Mukesh. Fire. Fundamentalists in the country burned down theatres when Deepa Mehta's Fire was released. The movie explored the subject of physical desires and needs of a woman satisfied by another woman. Nandita Das and Shabana Azmi made a lot of people uneasy. Well, thanks for watching this video. Now hit the like button and subscribe our channel to watch more. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy!